Uh-oh, there he goes again, down to those trees in the hill. Oh, my goodness. That's not the way you're supposed to. Watch that wing tip. Watch the wing tip. Uh-oh. Oh. Okay. Come on, bring that thing down and land it. Get that thing back on the ground. Not that part of the ground. That's not the runway. You can stall the plane when it gets up there like that. Okay, now we're nice and level. Okay, keep it level. Get it turned around and get it on the ground safely. No, that's too steep. That's way too steep. You're gonna give me a heart attack, Baron. Come on. I think he's trying to go by the hills. They're a roller coaster and he's trying to do the same thing. He's a little shaky at the controls, but that flight instructor ought to be helping him out, and she's very, very patient, I can tell you that. I hope she's patient. Looks like she's got it under control there now. I'd imagine that flight instructor's scared out of her mind right now. This old guy may have flown in World War I, but I think that was the last time he flew. Okay. Looks like he's doing pretty good now, so she must have him under control a little bit. Making a nice, slow turn. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Looks like he's doing pretty well now. But you say this is your grandfather?
Yes, and I just need to close my eyes.
Yeah, I've closed my eyes too. I don't want to watch. I'm glad we got the fire and rescue people out here today. Yeah, it looks like he's doing pretty good now. Okay, uh-oh, there we go. Tipsy. Maybe just a little wind up there. A little yawing back and forth. Okay, it's almost stopped there. What in the world? Oh no, there goes the instructor! He's thrown the instructor. I don't know if he threw her out or she just jumped out. Maybe she got a little more nervous than we expected, and there, down she goes. Oh no, she must have just bailed out. Couldn't take it anymore.
You can't fix stupid.
Okay, there goes the rescue squad. They're going after the instructor. I hope she's all right over there. They're going out to check on her. The only problem is now he's up there by himself. Uh-oh. I don't know how we're going to get him down. Right now, actually, he seems all right. My concern now is for the instructor who bailed out of the plane out there. Hope he doesn't try to find doing some of those old-time combat maneuvers that he used to do. Pretend he's dogfighting with the Baron von Richthofen, the Red Baron somewhere. See what he's doing there. Okay, they're approaching the instructor there. Hope they can find her all right.
Don't they do this every year?
Well, so far he's doing okay. I wonder how the instructor's doing over there. Looks like she hit pretty hard over there. He's up there circling around. And they're out. Okay, they're going to attend to the flight instructor over there. Fellas, give us a thumbs up if she's okay over there. Meanwhile, we'll keep an eye on the Baron up there. Okay, they've got her up, getting her into the ambulance there, so hopefully she's going to be all right. Not quite. Where'd he go? There he is. He's doing rolls. Worst nightmare about to take place here. This guy's up there by himself, the flight instructor. Okay, they've got her all loaded up off. We'll get word on her pretty quick here. Keep your fingers crossed. Uh-oh, another kind of a, he's upside down, doing a loop. Oh no. Oh, there's another loop. He's pulling some G-forces there. I hope the old boy doesn't black out up there doing those maneuvers. That's the kind of thing you did in combat in World War I. And that's apparently what he thinks he's a World War I pilot, doing those loops like that. Maybe, well, actually it seems like he's kind of under control now, so maybe it's not so bad. Well, we kind of hoped that he wouldn't be trying to do any aerobatics up there, but so far he doesn't seem to be so bad. I don't know how we're going to get him down there. Maybe the FAA and the Sheriff's Department can decide what they want to do before he runs out of gas or flies off to who knows where. We're going to try to stop him somehow. I hope there's some way they can stop him up there. Short of shooting him down, I don't know how we're going to. Oh my goodness, he's gone into a spiral. Come on, pull out, pull out. There you go, there you go. Oh man, this old guy doesn't know how to fly at all. Well, I guess I shouldn't say that. He is flying it. So far, he hadn't hit the ground. That's the thing with flying an airplane. It's that sudden stop that hurts. Oh, down to the trees again. Uh-oh. Behind the trees, behind the hangars are over there. Pull up, pull up, pull up. Fire trucks are over on that side. I guess they'll hear him. Oh, there he is. Back over on the other side. He made it through there. Good gracious. Oh, man, I can't believe what's going on here. Folks, I've gotten word that they're going to try to shoot the Baron down. I can't believe that's going to happen. They're actually trying to.
Such a terrible thing.
Somebody out there, I think, has got a rifle or something. They're going to try to shoot him down.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
Well, I've just been informed that here he comes down the runway that we're not allowed to fire. Oh, he almost made it. They can't shoot at him. They're not allowed to do that, but I see the doors open. Baron! Baron! Pull up! Boom! Boom! Maybe that'll scare him. Maybe that'll scare him. He's okay. There he goes. No, there he goes off again. Actually, he's almost doing it there. Okay, here he's coming around. Come on, bring it in. Bring it in. Line it up to the runway. Not that steep. Pull it up a little bit. Oh. Okay, straighten it out. Straighten it out. Little rudder there. Put it down. Oh, he hit, bounced off the runway. Come on. Come on. Here we go. Watch that wingtip. Oh my goodness. Ease it back. Ease it. There you go. Almost pull it. Well, when you get down that low, Baron, just, oh, he's going to go around again. Oh my goodness. This guy is something else. See if he comes back by. Not over there on the dirt. That's not the runway. Pull it up. Pull it up.